Let's make a card. We're going to start by stamping our stacked presents onto some white cardstock, and then we're going to stamp my sentiment in some red ink. Now I'm doing this across the top and the bottom borders, and I'm stamping it upside down. It's easier for me to line it up along the edge of the cardstock that way. Then we're going to take our Stampin' Blend marker that coordinates, and I'm going to go through and color in the presents. There's 3 different sections, but I'm still only using 1 marker for each of these. We'll finish off by adding some polka dots, which is my favorite texture of all time. Love polka dots. Then cut them out, and then we're ready to do our dry embossing. So this is going to be for our background piece of white cardstock. It's going to give us that great texture. Then across the middle of our sentiment layer, we'll add some pattern paper, trim off the excess, and this is ready to go onto our dry embossed piece. Then we have a Poppy Parade card base, add this on top. A crumb cake circle into the middle will help our presents really pop when we add them to our card. Add our presents using dimensionals, and my friends, we're done. Make sure to like and follow.